Presenting the 2015 Holden Commodore SV6, a standout choice for buyers seeking performance, comfort, and value. The SV6 is powered by a strong 3.6-litre V6, delivering smooth acceleration and confident handling, making it one of the most popular models in its class. This vehicle has been fully workshop inspected and comes backed by a dealership guarantee, ensuring peace of mind and reliability. The exterior is clean and well kept, while the interior offers a spacious cabin, touchscreen infotainment, Bluetooth connectivity, reversing camera, and modern safety features. The 2015 SV6 provides an ideal balance of sporty driving dynamics and everyday practicality, making it an excellent option for families, commuters, and enthusiasts alike.